Kashmir and the glory of famed Dal Lake are incomplete without the existence of houseboats. The magnificent houseboats floating on the shimmering lake represent the bewitching beauty of Kashmir. However, this historic heritage is on the verge of extinction due to the official apathy and absence of normalcy.
Tourism sector has been unstable since 1990s, which has negatively impacted the heritage of houseboats. Many of the houseboats have decayed, many houseboats perished.
Highly skilled carpenters take more than a year to fabricate a houseboat from finest cedar timber. The artisans of Kashmir adorn the interiors and exteriors of the houseboats with intricate woodwork. The floating hotels thus showcase Kashmir's heritage and the skill of the artisans whose painstaking efforts make them adorable for the visitors.
ऐसे skillful लोग होते थे जो houseboat बनाते थे.
There were skillful artisans who used to make houseboats. Few old skillful carpenters are left now who can construct or repair houseboats. Youngsters have not to learn the skill.
Tourism as an industry has almost emerged with the existence of houseboats in Kashmir. In the year 1838, the officers of British India started moving to Kashmir for holidays, which heralded the beginning of the tourism industry in the region. These officers used to stay inside the houseboats in Dal Lake. The floating boats were not as magnificent in golden days as they are looking nowadays.
यहाँ पर एक अटैचमेंट होती है कल्चरल एक्सचेंज.
Houseboats provided a cultural space for visitors. For over 150 years, the houseboats have sustained and promoted tourism in Kashmir. Decades ago, there wasn't enough space to accommodate tourists here. Houseboats filled that gap and promoted Kashmir as a tourism destination internationally. Kashmir does not require promotion. It is already promoted over a century.
The houseboat owners say that at one given time there were many houseboats afloat, but the number has declined considerably. The upkeep of these beautiful all-wood floating houses cannot be delayed. But to the less attention given by the local authorities towards these houseboats has led to diminish the beauty of Kashmir.
Day by day ये जो houseboat का मसला ये तो खत्म ही होता जा रहा है और इनकी हालत देखिए.
The houseboats are decaying and vanishing in numbers. Already houseboats in the river Jhelum and Chinar Bagh have decayed. We want that this heritage should be saved as it is the pride and identity of tourism sector in Kashmir.
1080 houseboats थे.
Kashmir had 180 houseboats, but their number has now declined to 900. Many of the houseboats need repair, but owners don't have money for it. Government support is also lacking.
ना गवर्नमेंट इसके लिए आगे आ रही है हमारी मदद के लिए.
In 1983, the government banned construction of new houseboats. The ban continues without any review. Notwithstanding the apathy of the authorities, the houseboat owners also admit the circumstances in Kashmir contributed to the decline of houseboats. There is no question of constructing a new houseboat, but repairs of the old ones has also become impossible. The authorities have introduced a new policy that has complicated the process of repairs and renovation of the houseboats. Rowing boats known as shikaras, houseboats and Dal Lake showcase the bewitching beauty of Kashmir. If the tourism industry has to flourish again in Kashmir, this triangle requires to be safeguarded and adequately promoted. An ETV Bharat report.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.